Register transfer defines how information is transferred from one register to another register and how it is processed within a digital system. For this, a replacement operator is used. If we talk about organization, तो ये CPU में high speed internal storage units होते हैं like accumulator, program counter, instruction registers. रजिस्टर में जो डेटा होता है उन पे जो ऑपरेशंस होते हैं वो माइक्रो ऑपरेशंस होते हैं. एक कंट्रोल फंक्शन भी लगता है जो एक्चुअली एक बुलियन वेरिएबल होता है दैट डिटरमाइंस कि एट अ पर्टिकुलर क्लॉक पल्स कोई ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म हो रहा है या नहीं हो रहा. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट सिंबल्स यूज फॉर रजिस्टर ट्रांसफर. फर्स्ट इज लेटर्स और न्यूमरल्स. दे डिनोट्स स्पेसिफिक रजिस्टर्स लाइक memory address register, register R1, R2, etc. Next is parenthesis. Denotes range of bits within a register. For example, if we are taking register R1, then 0 to 7 represents lower 8 bits of register R1. Third is arrow. This is replacement operator. It denotes the transfer from source register to destination register. Let's take one example. Here we are copying register R1 content to register R2. Next is comma to show two or more micro instructions at the same clock pulse. Now let's discuss register transfer operations. First is simple transfer. It is an unconditional type of transfer. No condition is given or checked. Just copy content of one register to another register. Here n is number of bits transferred to R2. Second is conditional transfer. Here a condition is given, it is checked and accordingly action is performed. Let's take one example. Here it means that if P is 1, then content of R1 register is copied to R2 register. Third is simultaneous transfer. Here two micro operations are performed simultaneously at the same clock. So here if P is equals to 1, the content of R1 is transferred to R2 and content of R2 is copied to R1 at the same clock pulse.